Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me, and on today's show we're featuring bananas. So now we're making bananas, and we're gonna just make the puree the simplest way we can. So you're just gonna peel your bananas, you're gonna place it on your plate and mash it as best as you can with a fork. All right, and what are you making today?
I want to make some pudding.
Pudding.
With bananas.
Okay.
And some pomegranate molasses.
Ooh.
Another sweetener, so something to do. And some cookies, graham cracker cookies and sugar cookies.
Let's take this banana puree and place it inside our ice tray. And one tip that I can give moms is that you can use these bananas as popsicles. So if you take popsicle sticks and you stick them inside, they can almost be used as a teether, so they can suck on the frozen ice cube. Can you tell me what you're doing over there?
Okay, so I'm just caramelizing the bananas right now and the pomegranate molasses and the walnuts. We go back and forth with mixing our two ingredients.
Is it a myth or is it true that bananas tends to constipate babies?
Well, it can cause constipation in babies, and it kind of depends on where they are in their eating. You can change the consistency of your bananas by adding breast milk or a little bit of formula and make it a little bit smoother, and it's a taste that they're familiar with already. So as you're introducing new foods, that's a way that you can do it, especially earlier on.
Or maybe pureed dates or prunes as well. You can add to the mixture.
Absolutely, to make it a little bit smoother.
Right. Oh, good. So it's you're layering everything on top of one another. So the cookies.
Any way you want to do it.
Okay.
You just have fun.
And this is definitely a way to get the whole family involved.
Yeah.
And you can use pretty much any kind of cookie you'd like on the bottom.
It's your show. Whatever your family likes to do.
Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.